Hi, this is Ashley Toups from Lehman Real Estate, and this is a walkthrough of 55 Goldhill, Snow Creek 1, 2-bedroom plus a loft, 2 bathrooms. It's about 1,511 square feet. As you can see, much like the rest of the Snow Creek developments, Snow Creek 1 has a lot of nice park-like open space. You have quite a bit of parking right at the end of the walkway right there. And we're gonna head inside. Outside the front door, you do have a nice ski locker, storage closet right there. I'm gonna start upstairs. So from the entryway, when we come upstairs, we're gonna have our main living area. So the living room here has these nice high ceilings because we have the loft hanging over the main floor. You have your wood burning stove insert in the corner there. This is a south facing unit, so we have a really nice upstairs deck that does face the Sherwin Mountains. So you get some really pretty peekaboo views with my camera drawn out like this. It's not quite as impressive as in person. Again, a really nice feature of these Snow Creek neighborhoods is how quiet it is here. You can also see here, if I zoom in, that this is direct access here right out to the meadow. Since it's south facing, this will be a really nice deck, probably year round. Also on the main living floor, of course, is the kitchen. It's a nice size kitchen. We have upgraded appliances, definitely upgraded cabinets. We have a single slab countertop here. It's got a bit of a two-tone to it. The other nice thing about this floor plan is that it is open to the rest of the living area. So you can have lots of friends, family, or large groups of guests here, and everyone's in kind of the same space. And come up here to the loft area. This floor plan has a nice large loft. They have this set up with a lot of seating area. But I've also seen it set up with multiple beds, even a futon and a pool table. So depending on what you'd want to do with this space, there's lots of square footage for that. If we head back down here, I'm going to show you the downstairs area where the bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are located. So heading downstairs here, to our right, we have the first and smaller of the 2 bedrooms. Still definitely a nice size. Our mirrors there. Do have some nice park-like views out of this bedroom. Heading out here, we're going to come to our first bathroom, the downstairs guest bathroom. We have laundry right here. The finishes in this bathroom are pretty standard. It does have a matching countertop to the one in the kitchen. Upstairs, Walk-in shower. We have a owner's closet here for some extra storage. It's currently locked off. And this is the larger of the 2 bedrooms. In the corner here, we have his and hers mirrors. And the ensuite bathroom. With the tub shower combo. And my favorite part of this floor plan, the walkout downstairs deck. Still have some of those peekaboo views up to the mountains. Easy access to the meadow. Very sunny, very pretty, very peaceful. And that concludes your tour of 55 Goldhill.